Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to Words of Wisdom. Sincere apologies for not being around for a while. I've got someone from my past who keeps pulling on my energy, and it's really starting to piss me off. But that's okay. I remain calm. I stay prayed up, constantly cleanse, have my salt baths. There's a whole plethora of things that you can do to remove someone's energy from your energy. I want to talk about the most dangerous woman you will ever meet is the one who healed alone. I mean quiet, grounded, aligned. The kind of woman who got knocked down so hard she didn't even recognize herself and rebuilt anyway. The woman who cried in private, questioned everything, kept showing up with no one to lean on. The one who didn't get the apology, didn't get the closure, didn't get the support she gave so freely to everyone else. Instead, she got silence and distance. Instead of letting it destroy her, she rebuilt. Not overnight, not perfectly, but intentionally. She sat with her pain instead of running from it, saw people, situations, and herself clearly. And that changes you. When you've been alone in your lowest moments and you survive them, something shifts permanently. You realize the only person you truly cannot afford to lose is yourself. Once that clicks, you move differently. You stop begging for closure. You stop chasing explanations. You stop over-explaining yourself in rooms that misunderstand you. You become calm in ways that once felt impossible. You become observant instead of reactive. You become quiet where you used to overcompensate. And that, my friend, is power. A woman who healed alone doesn't panic when someone walks away. You don't shrink to keep the peace. You don't tolerate what once broke you because you know the difference between love and attachment, between attention and intention. You choose differently. You love differently. You walk away faster. You listen to your intuition because you know what it costs to ignore it. You don't need to be picked because you picked yourself. You don't need constant reassurance because you learned how to reassure yourself. You don't fear starting over because you've already done it. Your power doesn't come from who praises you or stands beside you. It comes from who you became when nobody showed up. You're not bitter or fragile, and you definitely are not lost. You're grounded, self-aware, and solid. You are softer in some ways, but stronger where it counts. You're not impressed easily, not shaken easily, not manipulated easily anymore, and people feel that. The woman who healed alone is not too much. You're just no longer willing to accept too little. The most powerful and dangerous women are not the loudest in the room. They are the most aligned. You don't need revenge. You do not need validation. You don't need to prove anything. Your peace is your power. Your standards is your protection. Your self-respect is non-negotiable. And clarity? Clarity is dangerous to anyone who benefited from your confusion. Think about that. If this felt personal, if it sounds like the woman you had to become in private, then you already know this isn't just words. It's confirmation. You endured more than you talk about. You rebuilt in silence. You became stronger because you had no other option, and that strength shows. You move differently now, speak differently, and love differently. And once a woman learns you can survive alone, you will never settle for less than you deserve again. You're not just healing. You are the shift. I love you, and God bless.